Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Okay guys, I've got some super duper big news for you today. Don't miss the boat. Well, in this case, don't miss the yacht, because you know, if you're a part of the crypto family, then we're going to be buying yachts. Okay, so do not miss the boat. Now, if you got into this ecosystem back in 2015, you were very early. If you got into it in 2018, you were very early. If you got into it in 2020, you were very early. If you're in now, you're just early. Guys, the walls are closing in. Don't miss the boat. Big things are happening. Please make sure you are positioning yourself. I'm going to share two huge pieces of information with you all today. If you haven't already, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to click like, and don't forget to turn on your notifications, and don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. I bring you new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay, all right guys, I am super excited. Let's talk about the first article. Okay, BlackRock. Let me tell you all who BlackRock is and tell you all why they are so important. BlackRock Asset Management Company is the largest asset manager in the world. Not America, not North America, not part of the Americas. BlackRock Asset Company is the largest asset manager in the world, and they manage over 10 trillion dollars in assets. 10 trillion, that's trillion with a T, okay? And I'm going to tell you why this is so important. I'm going to read a couple of highlights from this article, because BlackRock is getting ready to get into crypto. They are. Don't miss the boat, because when BlackRock gets on this yacht, it is game over. $10 trillion of assets. They are going to move this market exponentially, okay? And all of these cryptos under 20 cents, under $2, those are going to be days of tomorrow, of yesterday, okay? So do not miss the boat. All right, let me just read you some information, an article that came from Fink, who is their CEO. Okay, BlackRock's Fink says Russia-Ukraine crisis could accelerate digital currencies, okay? And this is from Reuters. You know that Reuters is a reputable news source, okay? This is real. All right. BlackRock, and they're on the New York Stock Exchange as well. I think one of their shares go for $700 plus or more. But anyway, so their chief executive, Larry Fink, said on Thursday that the Russia-Ukraine war could end up accelerating digital currencies as a tool to settle international transactions. Okay, the first thing that comes to mind for me is XRP. I know some of y'all don't appreciate XRP, but I do. Okay, I think they're going to have their day. I think they're going to win that lawsuit. Okay, so of course other cryptos could do it as well, but XRP, this just rings XRP to me. So anyway, Fink said the war will push countries to reassess currency dependencies, and that BlackRock was studying digital currencies and stablecoins due to increased client interest. Now remember, they manage money for the government, for private companies, large companies, small companies, as well as retail investors. $10 trillion. That's 10 trillion. That's just major, okay? So that's what Mr. Fink said. In the letter on Thursday, the chairman and CEO of the $10 trillion asset manager said the Russia-Ukraine crisis had put an end to the globalization forces at work over the past 30 years. Okay, guys, that's huge. That's major. That is huge. And this is real. And I'm going to go ahead and place this article for you all in the link, so if you want to read the entire article. So that's why I'm telling you all, guys, do not miss the boat. Don't miss the boat, okay? Don't miss the boat. Now, here's the second piece of information. Now, Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency in the crypto ecosystem. Ethereum is number 2. Ethereum has a market cap of over $300 billion, and it has hit a milestone. Y'all, don't miss the boat. Please, if you haven't already, make sure, I'm going to put some videos up. Make sure you select some exchanges, register and get your account set up on the exchange, and then make sure you look at some of my videos to show you can buy crypto for under 25 cents, under 50 cents. Those are some excellent projects. This is not financial advice, but do your own research. But those will give you some good places to start with. Don't miss the boat, guys. Don't miss the boat, because the boat is getting ready to, it's going to take off, okay? So check this out with Ethereum, and this is major. This is major. So Ethereum is the number 2 largest crypto in the cryptocurrencies and digital assets, right? All right. So with Ethereum, their market cap, check this out. This is unreal. Ethereum has a larger market cap than Procter & Gamble. Those are the people. Procter & Gamble makes everything: diapers, lotion, anything you can think of. ExxonMobil, their market cap is larger than Nestle. Their market cap is larger than Bank of America. Ethereum's market cap is larger than Bank of America. They're larger than MasterCard, Home Depot, Chevron. Guys, don't miss the boat. Do you see where we're going with this? So you used to be very, very, very early. Now you're just early. And you are early, but you're not very early. So don't get it. Don't be confused. You don't have all that amount of time. Right now, there's over 20 million Americans already invested in crypto, okay? When this large money comes in from companies and asset managers like BlackRock and these other companies, look what Grayscale is doing. I talked about that the other day with Ethereum. Guys, you're early, but the window, that time is closing in, okay? So don't miss the boat. Well, don't miss the yacht. All right, so my name is Ida. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring. So this is huge, okay? Ethereum, which is the largest, number 2 cryptocurrency, is larger than Procter & Gamble, ExxonMobil, Bank of America, MasterCard, Home Depot, Chevron, and a whole lot of others. This is major. Don't miss the boat. Get in on it. Take care until next time.